Hello and welcome to my channel Blue Chip Finance. In this video we are going to discuss about the topic of non-trading concern related to financial accounting paper 2017 Punjab University. So let's start the question. Below is given the receipts and payments account of Sultan Beg Club of Faisalabad. Prepare income and expenditure account as on 31st December 2016 and a balance sheet as on that date from it and subjoined information. So on the left hand side receipts are given and on the right hand side payments are given. So सबसे पहले opening balance 2476, उसके बाद annual subscription 3260, life membership fee 500, entrance fees 400, miscellaneous receipts 466, interest 80. यानी कि साल के शुरू में ये कैश आपके पास पड़ा हुआ था और साल के दौरान आपने ये वाला कैश रिसीव किया. एट द स्टार्ट ऑफ द ईयर ये कैश आपके पास था एंड ड्यूरिंग द ईयर यू रिसीव्ड these different receipts, cash streams. And on the payment side, general expenses 1084, salaries 1100, furniture 1600, rent 1120, printing 250, repair 300. ये आपने साल के दौरान पे किया और ये आपके पास कैश 1728 जो कि आपके पास पड़ा था और आपने एंड के ऊपर ये बैंक को दिया या अपने पास रखा जैसे भी. On 31st December 2016, the annual subscription in arrears amounted to rupees 700. So 700 is your outstanding subscription that should be included in 23260 and that is also your asset. So you should place this 700 as an asset to rupees 200 is to be written off as depreciation on furniture. So very simple question, only two adjustments are given here. So let's start the question. So first of all, what will we do regarding the calculation of capital fund, because there is no opening assets and opening liabilities. So हम capital fund का क्या करेंगे? कुछ भी नहीं करेंगे. अगर आपको ओपनिंग एसेट्स ओपनिंग लाइबिलिटीज़ गिवन नहीं है तो देखें जी आप क्या फिर आपके पास मौजूद है. ओनली 2476. सो ये 2476 जो है ये सिंपली इट विल गो डायरेक्टली टू द कैपिटल इन लाइबिलिटी साइड 2476 एंड दैट्स इट. और उसके बाद हम बाकी चीज़ों को देखते हैं. जनरल एक्सपेंसेस, सैलरीज, furniture is your asset, so only expenditures are general expenses, salaries, rent, printing, repairs. So these are 1 2 3 4 5 are your expenditures. So these 5 expenditure, general expenses, salaries, rent, printing, repairs, these should be included here in the expenditure side. And one adjustment related to expenditure is given in the adjustment, and that is rupees 200 is to be written off as depreciation on furniture. So depreciation on furniture should be placed here, 200. Now we come to the income side. So annual subscription 3260, add this 700 outstanding. So here 3260 add outstanding 700 3960. After that, life membership fee, entrance fees, miscellaneous receipts and interest, these also included here. So your difference is 1352 in the expenditure side, which means that your income side is greater than your expenditure, and that difference is 1352 and that is your surplus. And surplus is always added to capital fund. So this should be included in the capital fund 1352 and 3828. Now we come to the asset side, and first asset is your furniture. 1600 less 200 depreciation equals to 1400. 1600 minus 200, 1400. After that, what is your closing cash? Closing cash is 1728 and 1728. and outstanding subscription, that is also your asset because you have not received yet. So this 700 is your asset and that should be included here. So now your asset and liability side is balanced, 3828, 3828. So that was the question related to, I think, 2017. So in coming videos we will discuss remaining questions of non-trading concern. So make practice of these questions because practice makes perfect. And if you think that these videos are beneficial for you, you can subscribe this channel, like this video and share this video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.